Hello, friends. Welcome back to Teacher Abla's class. Today, we will learn about sequence of events. Let's make a pizza step by step. Are you ready? Sequence means doing things in the correct order. We follow steps one by one. Let's learn together. First, roll the dough. Roll, roll, roll. Next, add the sauce. Spread it all over the dough. Then, add the toppings. Add cheese and vegetables. After that, put the pizza in the oven. Be careful, it's hot. Finally, eat the pizza. Yum, delicious. Let's check. What is the correct order? Think. Great job. First, roll the dough. Next, add the sauce. Then, add toppings. After that, put it in the oven. Finally, eat the pizza. Well done, everyone. Now you know how to use sequence words. First, next, then, after that, finally. See you next time. If you enjoyed this video, like, share, and subscribe for more content.